Hello guys, welcome to my channel NAIJA News and Entertainment. Today I have hot gist for you guys. Stefflon Don reveals the body parts she wants as birthday gift from Burnaboy. Stefflon Don, British rapper and girlfriend of Nigerian artist Burnaboy, has revealed that she wants a birthday gift from her boyfriend. Stefflon clocked a new age yesterday, December 14th, and as expected, she got best wishes and several outpours of love from her family and friends. Expressing her gratitude on Twitter, the rapper spoke about the material things that Burnaboy got her and what she would have preferred. Stefflon has written, "Thank you guys for the birthday love." An inquisitive social media reacted to her post asking, "What did Burnaboy get for you?" Stefflon responded, "A few things, but I'm really not materialistic. Just some good dick would do, to be honest." Let me know guys what you think about Stefflon Don's birthday gift. Thank you.